Hello दोस्तों, how are you all? I hope you guys are good. So दोस्तों, today topic is all about how to write multi-stage Docker file, right? What is multi-stage Docker file? Why we write multi-stage Docker file, right? So, but before that we get started, if you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos. Now let's jump right into what is multi-stage Docker file, right? So a multi-stage Docker file is a Docker file that uses multiple stages or sections to build and optimize a Docker image, right? Each stage represents a separate phase of the build process and can have its own base image, dependencies, and commands. So this approach allows you to build intermediate image and extract only the necessary artifacts for the final production image, right? Resulting in smaller and more efficient Docker images. So the idea behind a multi-stage Docker file is to separate the build environment from the production environment. The build stage is used to compile source code, install dependency, and perform any other build related task, right? The artifacts generated the build stage and then copied into production stage where the final image is created with only the necessary files and runtime dependencies. So next is how to write a multi-stage Docker file. So first you stage 1 a write build stage, here write from and then base image, right? Second one is set working directory, then copy source code, install dependencies and build the application, right? Stage 2 is your production stage. First stage is your build stage and second stage is your production stage, right? Then from work dir copy, right? Environment expose cmd. So let's go through the different section and placeholder in the example. So first is base image. Replace this with the base image you want to use for each stage, such as Python 3.9, Alpine, or Node 14. Right? You write here in your is your base image, right? Second one is build commands. So these are commands required to build your application, such as installing dependency, compiling code, and running build scripts. So this is right here, right? Run build commands, right? Third one is path to build artifacts. So specify the path where the build artifacts are located in the build stage, right? So this could be the output directory or specific files, right? Needed in the production stage, right? So you write here, right? Copy. So next one is key value. So replace this with the environment variables required by your application. Get it? Next one is port. So specify the port number your application listen on, right? Here you write your port number in expose, right? Commands. Replace this with the command needed to start your applications. Get it? You write here in cmd. So by using multi-stage builds, the final Docker image will only contain the necessary files and dependencies from the builder stage, resulting in a smaller and more efficient image. So advantages of multi-stage Docker file. So the advantages of using the multi-stage Docker file are: first is reduced image size, and this is very important, right? In interview, ask interviewer like how to reduce image size, right? So first is using multi-stage Docker file, we can reduce our Docker file image, right? So reduced image size. So the final production image only include the compiled artifacts and runtime dependencies, resulting in a smaller image size compared to including the entire build environment. Second one is improved security. So by excluding build time, tools and unnecessary files, the attack surface of the image is minimized, reducing potential security abilities. Optimized performance. So the smaller image size leads to faster image pulls and deployments. So it also reduces the application's startup time as it does not need to install unnecessary dependencies during runtime. So I hope this is clear to everyone, right? Ki how to write multi-stage Docker file, why we write multi-stage Docker file, advantages of multi-stage Docker file, what is Docker file. So thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully you found the information useful and learned something new. If you have any question or would like to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. So we appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care and have a fantastic day.